Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to do a blending mode with different photos using Photoshop. I went ahead and already looked up images that are copyright friendly that are labeled for reuse with modification.
Be sure to credit the image source on these images.
So I'm going to go ahead and save those images. I will save it into that computer design folder. Image portfolio images. I'll call this Dust Bowl because the theme is Dust Bowl. And this is the other image that I want to use. So I'll save image as, and I'll get it to that same folder, call that Dust Bowl 2, and save. Go ahead and open up Photoshop, choose File Open, and then go to that folder that has the images. Select one and hold down the Control key to select the other. This will be my before photo, so I need to square it for this particular project. As you can see, they're being placed in square shapes. I will go to Image Size, and I'm going to take the smaller number. 730 is the smallest number. I will click on the rectangular marquee. I will go up to the top where it says Style and make sure Fixed Style is selected and put in the numbers 730 by 730. I will click down and I'm going to move that marquee to a location that I'm happy with what's inside. I will then choose Image, Crop. I will save that square, File Save As. In this case, I'm going to change it to a JPEG and I will call this Dust Bowl 1. And click OK. That will be my before photo. I'm then going to the second image. I'm going to investigate the size of this image. I will choose Image Size, and the height is smaller than 730. Hopefully this won't be too much of an issue. I'm going to do Control A to select all, Control C for copy, go to the Dust Bowl photo and do Control V. Now it doesn't fit, so let's see. I'm going to use the Move tool and move it. And if I go to the Layers window on that layer 1, I'm going to change the opacity so it fades a little. Now this one's going to come out a little different because it doesn't blend in with the background. So I could take the eraser, and you can see the eraser size. I might go to the eraser options, make sure that it's really feathered, and I might make it a little larger. On that layer 1 then I will start erasing so it blends in with the background. Now this looks a little different than this one, but that's okay. This actually looks pretty decent. So this is what we have. We have the before and the after image. So maybe I'll do a little more erasing. I will now choose File, Save As again, and I'll make this a JPEG, and I'll call this Dust Bowl 2 to have my before and after photos for my PowerPoint presentation. This concludes the session on how to do image overlays by adding photos on top of other photos and changing the opacity in the Layers window. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.